Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, today we are going to see how to repot a money plant and a moss stick with a moss stick. In my last video, I had told you that when I read somewhere that a money plant should not trail down. So I had a money plant in this hanging basket and it was hanging down, trailing down. So today I have decided to repot it with a moss stick. This moss stick I got it from the nursery. You can get it from online also, but I got it from close by nursery. I usually like to buy things there from local market. And this is golden pothos. In simple words, money plant. I have taken two varieties. This is golden pothos and this is simple green leaf money plant. Both I have repotted in this, and I wanted to show you this repotting the whole procedure, but I don't have a camera. I have to cameraman. I have to shoot myself. So I have repotted it, and I will tell you what I have done. This is a money plant doesn't need a very big pot. See the pot size is a medium size pot. In this I have kept three plants. One is already trailing. Here, big plant. Another one is also trailing. This one is also trailing, but I have pushed the branches into the soil. See, I will show you. I have I have pushed. Okay, it is not visible from here. I have pushed all the branches into the soil, so it will branch out into many plants, hopefully. That's how it grows. And this is one small plant. So total three plants I have potted. So when it grows, I will surround the small stick with a money plant. When it will be very beautiful. First thing, it should not droop down. It should not trail down. Money plant. Always remember. And while making soil, take garden soil, coco peat, and vermicompost, all three in equal proportions. Add a teaspoon of Epsom salt. Sorry, I forgot the name. Epsom salt. What happens? It helps the roots to absorb micronutrients from the soil and helps your plant to grow healthy. Then add one more teaspoon of bone meal powder. Bone meal powder strengthens the roots. Then add 4-5 teaspoons of neem powder. Neem powder acts like a fungicide, so you have no need to add any chemical fungicide. Friends, these are all indoor plants. Refrain from using any chemicals in the house plants. You can make everything from the things that are around you. You can make it at home also. This neem powder, you can make it at home also by boiling some leaves. I have uploaded many videos where you can make organic pesticide, organic fertilizer for all indoor plants. Please go through them. If you want any information, you can place in the comments. I will give reply. And friends, that's the potting soil. When you are preparing a potting soil like that, you will have no necessity of adding any fertilizer frequently. You can fertilize this after 6 months. Once in 6 months, that is enough for money plant. It doesn't need fertilizer so much. And water it regularly. Once the top layer of the soil becomes dry, that time you water it thoroughly till the water drains out. So you can know when to water it. It's a very beautiful plant. Friends, bring home a money plant, and it has very beautiful foliage. I will share the video of this plant after it grows. But don't keep your money plants outside. Don't keep your money plants in hanging basket. Don't allow your money plant to droop down. Don't always keep it bushy by cutting it, trimming it. Keep it bushy or tie it to a moss stick so that it doesn't droop down. So friends, there are small tips which you can use to grow a very bushy money plant. The only fertilizer that I use for my money plant is use tea leaves. You have to dry the tea leaves, used tea leaves, dry it and put it, 1 teaspoon will be enough. 1 teaspoon will be enough. Okay friends, if you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, leave your comments in the comment section below. Bye for now.